rise, mind in motion, reaching for the skies. Every day's a fight inside my head. Thoughts collide, a storm on red. Focus slips, distractions roam. In this chaos I build my home. But I won't break, no, I'll stand tall. Turn the struggle into my call. Rising through the noise, I find my way. Light breaks through the darkest day. From the hardships I grow strong. In this journey I belong. Pacing steps, a restless mind, searching peace is hard to find. But in the rhythm and the groove, I discover strength to move. Every challenge shapes my soul. I've been fighting all alone. Rising through the noise, I climb my way. Light breaks through the darkest day. From the hardships I've grown strong. In this journey I belong. Achievements bloom in quiet ways. River with bright new flames. Though the road is far from clear, I embrace hope, shed the fear. Rising through the night, I find my way. Light breaks through the darkest day. From the hardships I've grown strong. In this journey I belong. Living life with my homeboy, turning strife into rejoice. In the struggle I'm alive. With ADHD I thrive.